Howdy folks, Barefoot Joel with Naturalist for You here in the city of Orange along Cannon Street. And you know, when I'm walking barefoot, I have to watch where I step, especially if there's dog turds around. But the funny thing is, sometimes things aren't what they appear. In this particular case, looks like a dog turd, but actually a mushroom. So at this state, this mushroom, known as dog turd fungus or dyemaker's earthball, is actually producing spores. And we can investigate, there's another one nearby that is in an earlier state of development. So this magic mushroom right here, which looks like an old dog turd, can actually help you rewild your garden, your city park, or your school, because it is ectomycorrhizal, which means that it helps with the root establishment of various trees and plants. So you could take the spores of this mushroom, inoculate your soil, and help a native plant community reestablish itself. So the next time you see what looks like a dog turd, take a closer look. It could be the dyemaker's earthball, and you could use this as a tool to restore habitat in your neighborhood. Until next time, happy trails with Naturalist for You.